This is the 6-pack of light pink blush hydrangea flowers, and this is how it came packaged in this plastic. I opened up the plastic and it comes with some zip ties, and this whole package comes with the flowers tucked in on the inside to protect the flowers, which makes sense. And they're all tied together. I'm gonna untie it. I'm untying right now. All right, let's take a look at these flowers. All right, so this is the flowers. They're kind of flat because they've been traveling, but you can look and easily fluff them up. Yeah, these are gonna look cute. Okay, so this is what the final product looks like. They do come with these zip ties, so you can zip tie the flowers together, the panels together, and you can make a nice little background. I will put mine together, and then I'll show you a completed one once I'm done. Yeah, they're fluffing up pretty nicely. Can you see? These are really cute. This is what it looks like all put together and on the wall. Would definitely recommend.